Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super practical and beginner-friendly tutorial for you. If you've ever wanted to design a Spotify-style app in Figma, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find high-quality templates, open them up in Figma, customize them to fit your own creative ideas, and smoothly integrate them into your own projects. Whether you're just starting out or looking to save time on your next UI design, stick with me because you'll see just how easy and efficient this process can be. Alright, let's dive right in. So to start things off, we're going to make our lives a whole lot easier by heading straight to the Template and Tools search area. This is usually on the left sidebar or right at the top, depending on how Figma or your chosen resource website arranges things. What you're looking for here is the search function. Simply type in Design Spotify app. Taking advantage of search tools like these is honestly a huge time saver. It's kind of like knowing what aisle to shop in at the grocery store, rather than wandering everywhere hoping to get lucky. When the search results pop up, you'll see a variety of Spotify-inspired app templates. Take a second to browse through what's available. Some might mimic the actual Spotify interface very closely, while others put a unique spin on the concept, adding custom colors or layout tweaks. Pick a template that matches both your project's needs and your personal style. If you're unsure, take a minute to click through a few options. You can usually preview the design before committing. Remember, there's no rush here. Selecting the right template now can save you hours of adjustment time later on. Once you've found the template that clicks, simply select it. Most platforms have a button like Open in Figma. Go ahead and hit that, and the template will launch directly in your workspace. This is where the magic really happens. You're not just stuck with a static image. In Figma, templates are fully editable. Go ahead, start personalizing things. Change up the color scheme to match your brand or mood, adjust the artwork, swap out fonts, or maybe even move around some UI elements to better suit how you imagine your version of a Spotify app working. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get things looking just right. Exploring and tweaking is all part of the creative process. At this point, you might be wondering, why customize at all? Well, even the best templates are just a starting point. By adding your unique touch, you ensure the end result matches your vision and stands out from the crowd. It's a bit like buying a new jacket off the rack versus tailoring it to fit perfectly. You want something that truly feels like yours. Now, after you're happy with your design, it's time to use it in your own project. Simply copy the entire template or just the parts you need and paste them directly into your current Figma design file. This step is super straightforward, but if your files are large, give it a moment to process. And remember, you can always refine your layout further after pasting. Figma makes it easy to keep iterating without losing any of your changes. And that's really it. You've gone from searching for a Spotify app template to customizing and integrating it seamlessly into your own project, all in less than 40 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That helps more people discover these tips. If you have any questions or get stuck on any of the steps, drop a comment below and I'll jump in to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Figma and UI tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you design next.